That's what's really different about EVs versus internal combustion engine. Yeah, so Michelin's portfolio is what we described as EV ready. And so we're really here to make sure that no matter what tire you guys are deciding to put on your vehicle, that you have the top performing tire.
Hello friends at torquenews.com. I'm speaking with Katelyn, the VP of Marketing at Michelin. Katelyn is in charge of tire replacement, and I am going to ask her a question. What is happening at Michelin replacement tires, and why we car owners, what is it that we need to know that will affect our decision making? Let's say you're driving your car for a long time and then your tire wears and you are faced with the challenge of changing your tire. Why should you choose Michelin?
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you for the brief introduction.
Thank you.
And it's certainly exciting to be able to have the impromptu opportunity to speak to you guys about Michelin as a replacement tire option. And what I would mention is that Michelin has been at the forefront of innovation and pioneering new technologies in the tire industry for 135 years. And this is actually what's led us to become the most awarded tire brand in the US. And it has to do with the innovation, the push for really excellence in terms of what we bring to consumers. And so we're really here to make sure that no matter what tire you guys are deciding to put on your vehicle, that you have the top performing tire out there in the market. And whether it's durability, whether it's fuel efficiency that you're looking for, or range in the case of electric vehicles, confidence in all weather conditions, or even performance if you drive a sports car, there's going to be a product line that is out there and available for you guys, and will certainly accommodate your vehicle in every type of way. And so it's really about going to michelinman.com, shop around, take a look at what we have to offer, and I think you'll be very pleasantly surprised to see all the positive reviews and ratings. And in addition to that, all of the other credentialing reports that rate our tires from an objective perspective on how they perform.
Thank you, Katelyn. One more question, please. Earlier you said that the type of tires people choose will affect the electric vehicle's range up to 40 miles. And today during the Sustainability Summit, the representative said that Michelin is making sure that their tires is EV specific. Did I say it right? Could you?
EV ready.
EV ready. Could you elaborate on that a little bit, please?
Yeah, no, it's a
because we have a lot of electric vehicle followers on our YouTube channel at Torque News.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Thank you.
Yeah, so Michelin's portfolio is what we described as EV ready, meaning no matter what product you choose, based on some of the needs in terms of your driving behavior, durability, performance, you name it, it's going to be accommodating to your electric vehicle. We at Michelin do not actually carry any EV-specific lines that you need to fine-tune to your vehicle. We have specifically thought of engineering technologies that accommodate the weight and also the torque of electric vehicles, because that's what's really different about EVs versus internal combustion engine. It's really the weight and the torque.
Right.
You can go fast very quickly, right?
That's right.
And so we've been proactively anticipating and planning for this EV transformation for going on 30 years, and we've been working on our engineering to accommodate these changes in the marketplace as a result. So again, if you guys are shopping for a replacement tire for your EV, any of our products that are out there are going to be able to meet your needs, because we've designed them with the intention of being EV ready.
Thank you very much,
Yes,
Katelyn.
thank
We
you.
appreciate this. And guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Have a great day.